Welcome back to another episode on the MAURO'S Films channel. Today we have a new improved gimbal from Moza. It's called the Moza Mini P Max Edition and it's designed to be a 3-in-1 foldable gimbal. So you can use this setup from your smartphone all the way to a mirrorless camera. And it's able actually to mount to up and weight capacity of 1 kilo. So yes, and Sony a7 III with an Zeiss or 35mm will be kind of the max supported range for this gimbal. Okay, so from the last iteration we have a slight improvement in the payload, from 900 grams to the actual 1 kilo of payload that this gimbal can hold up. And we had also some newly designed Arca Swiss mount with the included smartphone holder, so you can decide on what to opt and your desired filming device. The gimbal is still foldable and it will be in a good compact state when not filming. In the box there will be also the holder pouch, so you can carry it around without any scratch. You can lock all the axes with the lock knobs, mounting your camera and balancing with ease. The design is kind of pretty standard for a 3-axis gimbal. In the front we have the joystick control, mode and record button, USB-C charging port on the side, zoom and rocker button on the left. On the back side we have the trigger button that's actually standard for today's gimbals, and yes, you can recenter, get to the selfie mode and enter some modes with your gimbal. In front there is also the power level indicator light. The stated battery power operation is 20 hours, so more than enough for any type of shooter category. This gimbal can be also used with the Moza Master app, and you will be able to adjust and control some of the more advanced features: remote control, mimic motion, record, take a photo and selfie, making creative motion time-lapse, track recording, variable speed time-lapse, use the object tracking when having the smartphone mounted on, and a fixed point time-lapse. Check the balance and the battery level. Pretty useful things that we are actually used to see in Moza products. Double pressing the down button you will enter sport mode. Pressing down the button 3 times you will enter Inception mode. Trigger, double press, recenter. Triple press, switch to selfie mode. Hold, switch to follow mode. Double press and hold, switch to all locked mode. If you want to film vertically with your smartphone or your camera, you'll have to enter vertigo mode, and that's kind of not so effective. I got also the multi-cable to control my Sony camera. Record and stop recording will be easier. Okay, so in every gimbal I tested so far, there are some great features and some features that can be improved or actually they are not so useful. And I will now get to a conclusion if this gimbal is made for your production. This will be your best budget companion in a range of under or around $200, because there is little or no competition that can hold an A7S III for this price. You'll get the basic options on it without LCD screen. The build quality is completely plastic. And actually it's not that compact when standing on your desk. Actually it's pretty tall. One of the slight downside of this gimbal is that you actually can't film in portrait mode. You'll have to use it in flashlight mode, and this is not the most comfortable position for your hands. Basically it's not designed for vertical video. Take note about that. The stabilization works pretty good if you don't exaggerate with heavier payloads. The A7 III or S3 with a smaller lens will be an upper limit and motors will be stressed more. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.